Hey guys, hi, this is Priyanka. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. And today, actually, I wanted to show you a very, like, literally 1 minute or maybe less than 1 minute technique to highlight your eyelashes and to make it seem that they are extended. And the motivation behind this, and the motivation and the motivation behind this video is that I actually tried eyelash extension. Even though I have like really big eyelashes, I tried it and it was really good. I'm not gonna lie, I really loved it. And I But it's very expensive and I just don't like the idea of like getting the fiber attached to like this part of my eye, the upper eyelid part. And so I was like, what can I do? And so I've been just looking at various like tutorials in my free time. And I just well, actually, I wasn't looking consciously. I just actually stumbled on this video where she was trying few things, and then that inspired me to try something else. So I tried it, and it actually is really good. It's probably not the same as having like eyelash extension, but it's as good as it can get at home, and it's still pretty good. So I'll let you decide. But I was really happy with it, and for that, all you need is, of course, like your mascara, like your favorite mascara, and then you need a brush. So this is the eyebrow brush, or this is something which you can get actually just free at Sephora or Ulta or anywhere. Or you could actually, as a matter of fact, you can actually use any brush. You could even use like your face powder brush and like just do this, just brush your eyelashes before applying mascara, and that's all there is to it. I just said it, like brush your eyelashes and apply mascara. But let me show you how I do it. And like I said, you can use any brush, so you don't have to really worry about getting the same like kind of brush that I have. But if you have this brush, it's like I like it because it has really like fine brush, like fine, like the single whatever that's called, and so it has a better grip to your eyelash. Okay, so let me show you what I'm doing. And basically I'm just combing my eyelash. There's nothing more or less to it. And then I'm gonna do it the other side, and it's really simple. And then I have my eye mascara, and then I'm gonna shake it before applying. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. So I am just gonna shake it and then apply it. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm creeping some of you out. I don't mean to. I just have to come really close to the camera. And so you can already see this one is more highlighted and more like, I guess, appealing than this one. And what I do is I will just do like maybe like I will just do like 2 more rounds of this, and I'll show you how it looks. I'll be back in a second. I just wanna do it off camera so you can see the striking difference, if that makes sense. Okay, so there you have it. You can see how like highlighted and appealing these lashes are. And let me show you in different light. So you can see this one versus this one, right? So clearly this one is more like highlighted and more appealing than this one. So you can see this and then this. So yeah, so hopefully that convinced you that I mean, not hopefully, of course you don't have to do it, you're not doing it for me, but it's just something that I wanted to share if it helps you. And of course you can try, and if you don't like it, then screw this, don't do this again. Just apply mascara, but it literally causes no harm. I mean, it takes not even like a minute to comb your eyelashes, and I started to do it just like I would comb my hair, like I started to just like comb, which is so Like I would comb my eyebrow and I would comb my eyelashes, and I think it's really cute. And I do it because it doesn't like harm, and it really makes sense to me. It's like, you know, okay, I have long hair, like the hair on my head that I wanna comb, but then I have these hair too, which are aesthetically appealing, and so you do, and which is exposed to others, right? Like others can see these hairs, so, and they have an aesthetic, if I'm pronouncing it right, aesthetic appeal to it. So you do want to like maintain them, and the first step to maintaining them, I think, is like just be just like being in this habit of like combing them, and then just highlighting them with mascara if it's your eyelash, and then if it's your eyebrow. I actually really never did anything with my eyebrow except threading, to be honest, for years. I actually, fun fact, I never applied makeup besides, I would say, like eyeliner and mascara until I crossed 30. So I'm becoming an older woman now, and that's when I start to put makeup, you know. That's when they say to not put makeup. But anyways, I really want to try these things and just like have fun with this. And of course, you know, I have to take care of my skin in natural ways too, that I'm very very aware of. So look at this now. So you saw like the before, and then you see the after. They're not bad actually. Okay, let me show you how this look in other light settings. So stay tuned. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell they look I ate so much mouth freshener, but like you can, I think you can tell. But yeah, so there you have it. It's actually really simple and very easy, and I hope you try it, and I hope that you you know, find it helpful. If not, let me know. But you can see how the lashes pop out clearly, and there you have it. It's very simple, doable, takes less than a minute. It took me like less than a minute. The rest of it was talking and sharing, which is fun. So there you have it. Thank you so much again for tuning in. And oh my god, there's so much sweat. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to remove remove the eye makeup before going to bed, and take care of yourself. I will see you next time. Bye.